Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing the brand new limited edition Glossybox. This is so good. I've already had a sneaky peek and I cannot get over how incredible it is. So this box is worth £108. However, if you're a Glossybox subscriber, you can get it for just £25. But if you're a non-subscriber, you can get it for £35. Even if you're a non-subscriber, it is still well worth the money. It's so good. But if you're a subscriber, I would say you gotta get it. It's a no-brainer. It's just too good. The value is incredible and everything inside is stuff that you want, you're gonna use. It's just incredible. Let me get into it with you. So this box launches on the 30th of January if you're a subscriber. However, if you're a non-subscriber, you're gonna have to wait a couple of days. It's gonna launch for non-subscribers on the 2nd of February. So if you're not a subscriber and you're thinking about subscribing, this might be the nudge that you need. And again, it's worth £108, but it's being sold to subscribers for £25, non-subscribers for £35. Okay, let's open her up and see what's inside. So first up, you know it's a good box when the products don't even fit inside the box. And this is the first product. It actually came within the postage box as opposed to inside the glossy box because it's just so big and chunky and generous. This is from Frank Body and it is a coffee cup which contains, look at that, I've already used it, which contains their body lotion. And this is the Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. It's so nice, super hydrating. Let me show it to you. It's so soft, it's so smooth, it's so balmy, like it's lovely. You could literally use this as a hand cream. It's just so rich and nourishing, but also it spreads across your skin. It just glides over. It feels so good. My hands are so dry at the moment and I feel like even though this is actually for your body, it's actually a great hand cream. So I absolutely love this, and I'm pretty sure that once you've finished it, you can use this as like a takeout cup. How amazing is that? I need to Google it just to check, but yeah, I'm assuming you can use it as a coffee cup. How good's that? Oh, and it smells like coffee and almond. So now let's open the box itself, and we've got a classic pink glossy box, and honestly inside here we've got one of my all-time favorite products. I cannot wait to show you. But before I crack out the creme de la creme, let me show you this. This is by the Beauty Crop, and this is the Peptide Calm 3-in-1 cleansing balm. Starts as a balm, turns into an oil, washes off with water. Gorgeous cleansing balm, and the Beauty Crop are like a really lovely, sustainable, wholesome, beautiful skincare brand who I absolutely love using. All their products just work really well. They're really lovely and they're a lovely company to support too. And this is a cleansing balm which is a full size, and trust me, you're gonna love it. And then we have a mascara from Sweet Beauty. I have used this before. I got it in another glossy box, I think, once upon a time. I really liked it. It's a really good full size mascara. Amazing. And also, who doesn't need a new mascara? And then we have a Fenty Beauty lip gloss and oil. This is amazing. This is worth £21 alone. And if you know Fenty Beauty and you know beauty boxes, you will know how rare it is to get a little bit of Fenty in these beauty boxes. So this is incredible. Literally, if this wasn't your shade, you could wrap it up and give it to somebody as a gift, because this is such an incredible like piece of makeup to get. So this is a lip gloss lip oil, and it is in shade Fussy. This is the colour, really nice, really pretty, really universal, and again worth £21. And now this for me is the creme de la creme of the box. The whole box is incredible. The whole box is really usable, universal, really like just good products that you know you're going to use. But this is my personal favourite. So this is by Rodial, and these are the blush drops, and these are incredible. They're so pretty, they're so glowy, they're just so, I don't know, just gorgeous and glowy, and just, I don't know, they just make you look and feel really pretty and luminous and lovely. And these normally cost you £39, so they are gorgeous and they last for ages. However, they are quite expensive. So what a treat to get these in the box. Again, full size, worth £39, the prettiest pink blusher, which will literally work on every skin tone. Absolutely incredible. And I honestly just think this is such a good limited edition box, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing to show you everything. If you want it, it is out on the 30th of January for subscribers, the 2nd of February for non-subscribers, and it's £25 for subscribers, £35 for non-subscribers. The link is below If you want it, do hurry up and get it. I think it will sell out really, really, really quickly. It really is that good. I honestly can't recommend it enough. And I'm so happy to have one myself. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.